Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the teaser of the residential project Metro Regalia by Metro Group located in Thane. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel, where you can see the construction is in full swing. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing what points like project overview, location, connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1.5 acres. As you can see in the model, it will have one tower of ground plus 24 floors, having 3 BHK residences. Also, duplex options are available. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Pokhran 1 Ur Road, Thane, from where upcoming Borivali-Thane tunnel is only at a distance of 5 minutes. Upcoming metro station is also only at a distance of 5 minutes. You have Thane railway station at a distance of 10 minutes drive, and you have school, colleges, hospital within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And now talking about the amenities, this project has 35 plus amenities. As you can see in the model, it will have an infinity swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, cricket turf, indoor games, kids play area, mini theatre and many more amenities within the project. Now talking about the configurations and carpet area, as said, this project has 3 BHK residences ranging between the carpet area of 1222 to 1290 square feet. Also, you have duplex options available. And now talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 5 lakhs. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Metro Regalia by Metro Group located in Thane.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.